Hello there and welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you another simple approach to getting paid online, okay? Pay passive money, income, regenerative money online, okay? Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to listen to audio files, okay? And get paid $1.5 every single minute, okay? It's very, very simple and straightforward. Okay, right. So without further much ado, let me dive right into this video. But before that, in case you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notification so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Okay, and in case you want to earn passive income with other revenue sources, I'll leave a link in the video description, and then pinned comment link will send you to a free PDF where you will read about and learn about other sources of making money online, which is very, very legitimate, straightforward, and then simple to implement and get similar results, just like myself and other people who've been using that specific method or PDF. You will see, or I'll share with you in the video description and pinned comment. Now let's get right into this video. So the name of this website, for this website, you just go there, you listen to audio files, and then you get paid instantly. Okay, this is the name of the website. Very simple and straightforward. So this is a transcription website. Okay, in case you don't know what transcriptions are, let me give you an overview of what transcription is. Okay, so when we talk about transcription, it's about converting audio files into written format. Okay, so you convert an audio into a written form. So you can notice that they have a huge audience. Okay, you see testimonies over here, very, very trusted, legitimate. So I always say on this platform or channel, we share well researched and profitable platform where you get paid your services. Okay, so make sure to stick with me till the end of this video so that you know what to do and then what not to do. Okay, so for me, you can notice that human transcription, you get paid $1.5 per minute. Okay, and then English, and for English closed captions, you get paid similar amount, and then global translated subtitles, you get paid similar amount. Okay, right, but that is even higher. Okay, from 5 to $12 per minute. So let's get started. So here you can notice that you start at $1.5 per minute. Okay, and you can deliver this under 12 hours. Okay, this is per minute, and then you can even do this for 12 hours, which is multiply 12 hours by convert the 1.5 minute into hours. Okay, and then multiply that by 12 hours. You will notice that that's a lot of money. Okay, now so we can view sample transcripts. Okay, in case you don't know what a transcription is. So this is a video transcription. Okay, over here. So this is a video, and it's being converted into written format. Okay, very, very simple and straightforward. Once you come to this website and you want to get started, you just have to click on create an account. Now make sure to stick with me till the end of this video because there is something you need to know about this website. Okay, there is something you need to know about this website that some people might not even tell you. Okay, so create account, your first name. So let's say, let me use this name. The company name could be your own name. Okay, company name could be your own name or the name you use for creating the account. Okay, so you agree to the terms and conditions, privacy policy, and then you create your account. Okay, so once you create your account, so once you come to this website, just scroll to the bottom. Okay, scroll to the bottom, and then you find freelancers. Okay, you are trying to be a freelancer, so just click on freelancers. Okay, click on that, and then a page will open. Okay, now here you'll be able to create an account and then start working over here. Now you will notice that they are saying we are not currently accepting applications from your location. Okay, don't worry, I will show you how to bypass this. Now you notice that you can create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs. Okay, choose from hundreds of jobs, and then you get paid weekly. Okay, now you receive weekly payout via PayPal for all work completed, and then rep is on time and dependable. Okay, this is a verified website where you don't have to worry about these things much. Okay, now this is how you can bypass this. Okay, you need a VPN. Okay, in order to access this website. So now once I turn this VPN on, you can notice that I'll have access to this website. Okay, so Let's proceed. Okay, let's proceed from here. So you notice that I'm about to turn my VPN on, right? So let's turn the VPN on. Now we are moving from where I am right now to, okay, trying to connect to the VPN. So let's see how this works. Okay, you can use any specific VPN that works best for you. Okay, so you can notice that my VPN is being connected. Okay, so now let me refresh this page and see what happens. Okay, so you can notice that we can now access this website. Okay, so using the VPN, you just insert your details. Okay, you just insert your details, choose the email. Now you choose your position. Now you are doing what? Transcription. Okay, you're converting audio, okay, to words. Okay, to written format. Okay, and then you select your country. Now considering the VPN you use the exact country. Okay, use the exact country. So let's see United States, and then click on, sorry, you didn't choose a state. So let's see, let's choose a state. Which one should we choose? Okay, let's say New York, and then let's proceed. Okay, now this will load up, and then you notice that you have what your count. Okay, so once you follow what I did step by step, you'll be able to create this account, and then you start working. Okay, so you're welcome. How much can I earn? Your earning potential will depend on a range of factors. Okay, including how many hours you transcribe a week, how much practice you've had with transcription, blah blah blah. Okay, and then the list goes on. So you have what, beginner $22, intermediate 37, and then advanced $60+. Okay, so how much do you plan to rev? Okay, so go all the way. I want to rev seriously. Okay, choose that, and then you start your what application. You fill in these details. You can notice that you just have to fill in all these details. Okay, once you are done, okay, once you are done, you'll be verified, and then you start converting audios to what words. Okay, and then one thing is that you can actually do this with what, an AI. Okay, you have an AI platforms where you can actually convert or just post the audio they'll give you, and then it will be converted into what, words. Okay, so that you can just copy paste back in case you want to work smart. Okay, you can do that. So in case you want to know some of these names or some of the names of these AI softwares, just leave that question or that comment in the comment section, and then I'll respond and give you some of these names. Okay, and attached links to these websites. Okay, now I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to turn on the post notification after subscribing, okay, so that you don't miss out on our future videos, because I'll be showing you, or I'll be sharing with you some Android and iOS apps, okay, on your phone, where you can actually make money daily. Okay, every minute, every hour, every day. Okay, make sure to stick with me so that you don't miss out on that video. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.